Hello, I'm Gwen Britton with Precision Terrain Solutions, and with me today is Zach Baker of Greenway. Hello, Zach.
Hey, how are you doing?
We're going to install Terracotta on the 8R tractor that's behind us. It already has iGrade installed, and with Terracotta it will be a fully functioning landforming system. So let's go over the hardware first. You'll need a tablet. This is a Surface Pro 4. You can use a Surface 3 or a Panasonic ToughPad. The Panasonic ToughPad is usually used by contractors when they have harsher conditions, but we do recommend that you have a rugged cover on it to protect the tablet. So to mount the tablet in the cab, you'll need a ram mount. It's really a personal preference how you mount it, but this one has a 3 suction cup mount, so it's more versatile, and you can use it in your tractor or your truck or your gator for surveying. You'll need a way to hook up the tablet to your power source. So you'll need this cord that connects to the tablet, and then the other end would be a car charger. You will need a USB to serial port adapter and an iGrade harness, and then you're ready for installation.
Terracotta with iGrade gives the ability to survey, design, and implement your landforming design all in the cab of the tractor. Terracotta is a turnkey in-cab solution for iGrade equipped John Deere tractors sold exclusively through John Deere dealerships.